Yeah, I'm gone crazy. That's all I can tell you. If you want to know what I got from Candy Sweet Love for LV, resale shop on Instagram, come back. Maybe I'll have some words by then, okay? Hey Bean Beauties, how you doing? Uh yeah, I've got an unboxing again. Yeah, and it's a double unboxing. It is definitely one, two. All right, this unboxing right here, I'm blaming on Kim from La Vida with Kim. But she's going to sit right here and just tempt y'all for a while. And let's see if any of y'all can guess. Let's do timestamp right now. So this timestamp right here, you put it down in the description box. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. I'll know if you cheated. Your conscience will tell me. And let me know if you think you know what this is. Okay, so this isn't really blamed on any one person. It's blamed on all of y'all out there. All of you LV crazy people who have influenced me. This little thing is so cute. Call something over on Candy Sweet Love for LV's Instagram. You just put dibs, DIBS. And she put the price, and I said dibs, 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 dibs. So I got this from less than list price. So I could not resist. I could not resist it. So you open it up. So it has, she included the ribbon. I'm horrible at tying ribbon, so I didn't tie it. And then here is what it comes in its own little baby dust bag. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay. And here is the full paperwork. Here is the customer copy of the receipt. I couldn't believe it. So this is brand spanking new. It was purchased in November of 2024, and I purchased this in March, beginning of April of 2025. I could not pass it up. So let's see. Yes, y'all, it's a key pouch or a clay. Brand new. Ta-da. So the person who had put this up for sale, she purchased the S, the key pouch S, in like December or January because it had just came out. Like, so she purchased it and she fell in love with that one. And she said she was going to use that one more than this one. So she was just trying to get a little bit of her money back. And I was the fortunate one to get this. So look, let's see if I can get close enough. Okay, so right here, y'all, look, it still has the stickers on there. See? Unbelievable. So I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, yes, yes. Zipper, butter, butter. I had looked at the key pouch S, and I had considered getting that one. But I liked this because, I haven't had it. All of y'all have had it and been able to play with one of these, but I didn't. And I also had wanted to be able to have the opportunity to hang it from, like, from one of my bags, like a charm, because I wanted to put my AirPods in it, my medicine, things like that. So I wanted to be able to do that. Where the S, it's more of something that you put inside your bag. So I really was not, ready for that. So that's what this is. Okay, so now on to this. Kim from Kim, I'm just gonna change your channel name to Living La Vida with Kim. Living La Vida Loca with Kim. Here's what I'm gonna change your channel name. It's Living La Vida with Kim, right? Yeah, Living La Vida with Kim. I play around with it so much that I don't know what the name is. But she showcased one of these, okay? And I was like, I fell in love with it immediately. Did not know they existed until she showcased it. She was hunting it down, and she found one. They're vintage. They're both vintage. However, she had to change the zipper pull on hers because it was really, I think it was like cut off or whatever, so they got a new one on. Her husband told her just get it all the baqueta replaced, and she said, no, that's okay. I don't want to spend the money and everything. And she said she had regretted doing that. I had been looking at them and I was looking at them and it was like they were so beat up. And then when I would price them to get them, to get the vaqueta changed on it, it was expensive. And I was like, oh my goodness. So then Candy shows this on her channel. And I don't know if that was the first time. I don't think it was because, yeah, it wasn't the first time. I don't know why nobody had bought it. I went back later and she had put it in her feed, and I'll put it up here. I'll put up the post of her feed, of her Instagram feed, and I'm like, nobody got it. What? So I dipped this baby. It was on a payment plan for like 10 years. Payment plan. I'm just playing. And so I got it on a payment plan, and then I could sezzle it. And I got it on a payment plan, and I could sezzle it, and then I can sezzle my payment plan. So I was like, yes. So here it is. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yes, y'all. It's a Speedy. I actually have a Speedy. It's a HL Speedy, a Speedy HL with brand new replaced maqueta. The previous owner of it said she got it done at LV, through LV. I don't have anything. I trust Candy, but I don't have anything to prove that that's the case or anything like that. But you know what? It's gorgeous. It's not something I'm ever gonna pass on. And no, it's not for my granddaughter. It's for me. It's for me. All right, let me show you. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. There's the top. Ta-da! So these don't come with crossbodies, um, but she did include an insert. She sent an insert with it, and then she stuffed the insert. And then and that was courtesy of the seller, I believe, um, or maybe Candy. I don't know. It was a seller. And here's the inside, and it's like in glorious condition, glorious condition. So it has a tag here, just in glorious condition. So I was super stoked when I saw Candy's showing this. And I was like, I had to have it, so I got it. So these are my latest purchases on payment plans. And then Sezzled it, and payment plans on top of that from Candy Sweet Love for LV. You never know what you're going to find. You never know what you're going to find over there. Vintage pieces that look brand new pieces with stickers on it. You never know. She offers a payment plan on just about everything. It's up to the consigners, but mostly everybody offers payment plans. Usually the average is 6 weeks. Sometimes you have 8 weeks, and on the rare occasion, I have heard 10 weeks before. I can't recommend it more. The only thing is, I wish she would save her lives, because I could go back and watch them. But when I miss, I'm like, oh, because when you miss. And girl, she's selling over there. She's selling. On over there on her Instagram, there ain't no recession. There ain't no recession going on. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how this opens. Oh yeah, push it up. There we go. Just for shits and giggles. I'm gonna see. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. I know, I'm a wacko. There. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My first key pouch and my first Speedy. Mini minis. Oh, thank you so much for being here, Bean Beauties. If you have stayed to the end, and if you like what you're seeing here, and you like what I'm unboxing, and I'm going batshit crazy, then please, what are we gonna? Let's put some bats. Let's put lots and lots of bats down in the comment box, and let me know that you stayed to the end if you made it this far. Because this is probably another hour-long video. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Love y'all. Bye bye.